Here we are on a peaceful evening in the library. There's not much time left until the latest final. Some are catching up on their rest, some are happily catching up with their colleagues, and others are busy doing something. Oh look, Alexis is studying hard. She has to do well on her finals and has no time to think about anything else. But then, something catches her attention. A small, almost unnoticeable noise. Steve, sitting across from her, seems to be very focused on his girlfriend Jasmine. So much so that he absolutely cannot wait for her to finish her studies. Alexis can't hear exactly what they're saying, but she has no doubt that Jasmine is uncomfortable. Alexis can tell something is wrong, but decides to focus on her studies. Her final is almost here. She's almost done with her notes, but someone has to do something, but she has to focus on her work. She doesn't have much time left. She has to study right now, but someone is doing something right in front of her, and she cannot help but feel worried. She decides to think about what she can do. Alexis can directly say something to Steve. Hey, stop it! She doesn't want it! Alternatively, Alexis can indirectly save Jasmine. Hey, aren't you in my sociology class? I think I saw you there. Or maybe she can just ask another person for help. Excuse me, something weird is happening with that couple over there. Can you take a look? After thinking of all the things she could do, Alexis realizes that she doesn't need to act perfectly or fear being in the wrong. All she needs to do is something. There she goes. She's doing it. What will she do? You don't need to act perfectly. You just need to act